I'll sing a Hosea song.
Which one? Any drummers?
No. I don't know. I don't think so. Let It Always Rain? I don't think so. Let me try that song. Let's try that song. Let's try it. I don't think I need drums, though. Shabbat Shalom, everybody. Oh, my gosh. Everybody looks so beautiful. Are you guys having a wonderful time? I certainly am. So, first, I want to give thanks to the Most High for allowing me. Yeah. Okay. Most High God, I am thankful and I am grateful for being here with everybody, my family, okay? So I'm going to attempt to sing a song. 1, 2, 1, 2. Echad Shanayim. Okay. I'm going to attempt to sing a song that was written by my brother, Hosea. It's called Let It Always Rain. Now, Otanu and all the brothers, I hope I'm singing the right words. If I'm not, y'all gonna help me, right? Ron, you got the mic though. Okay. All right. Let it always rain, love upon us. Let it make it feel like something new. Let the rain be light and the drops be pure. Let it rain upon us. Let the rain be like not dollars and cents. Yeah, make me feel like you're my brother too. Help me to help you to help me to be family. Guide your child in good direction. Put the powers on his side. The Lord is his name, and do not wonder. Just bethink yourself and do his law. La 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 Yes, brother! You got so good! That was good! Shabbat Shalom!
Shabbat Shalom.